you feeling iron today? Okay, well, we are here to do what? To chaka chaka? Okay, well, we can chaka chaka. But our main reason for being here today is to have fun and learn. So, we're going to learn while having fun, aren't we? Now, to kick things off, I'd like you to put your hands together and make welcome our dub puppets for peace. Clap them. Give them a big round of applause. Hey. Welcome. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. We are puppets for peace. Puppets, no prejudice. If you come from uptown, or you come from downtown, if you're black or you're brown, we come to give you fun. Peaceful Caribbean, in a peaceful Caribbean. So, hear me now. Who's that? Who's that? We are puppets for peace. Yeah. Well, give them a big round of applause, everybody. Those are the puppets for peace, coming all the way from Portmore, the sunshine city of Portmore. Now, today we want to bring to you a puppet show entitled Ancestral Legacy. And of course, that means we're telling you about our ancestors, okay? Is everyone ready to see a puppet show? Yes! Well, now, you have to listen very carefully because at the end of the show, I'll be asking a few questions. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes. Now, to get this show started, I'll ask that, is there an adult out there in the audience? Yes. Okay, now, I'll ask an adult to, assist me here. Just get 14 of those students to come on stage and take a puppet. Because right now we're going to have a grand celebration. It's time to have fun. Oh, I'm feeling so Irish. Yeah, Irish. Are you feeling Irish? Okay. Do we have 14 persons on stage? And everybody has a puppet, right? Now, this is what you're going to do. When the drummer begins to play, you're going to dance like crazy. When I say crazy, I mean crazy in a man. We're going chaka chaka. We're going online. We're going lock on. We're going just dance. And then we're begins. Yeah! Yeah, man!
It's what they say. It go a long way, son. 200 years ago.
200 years? You mean, Tata, it go back to 1807?
Yes, son. 200 years ago. On March 25th, 1807, the British signed the document that gave us our freedom. So this year, we celebrating freedom.
Freedom? Freedom? So Tata, you mean you was in prison?
No, son. I'm not talking about prison. I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about something worse than prison that happened to our ancestors long time ago.
Tata, if it didn't happen to you, who it happened to?
Son, to our ancestors, to my father, and my father's father, and my father's father's father. Yes, son.
So Tata, what happened to your father, and your father's father, and your father's father's father?
Why, you see my father, and my father's father, and my father's father's father. Look up there. Yes, see that great house?
I see it, yes. It's the whole Tata that all the tourists come to visit.
Yes, and that is because it is the remains of what happened to our ancestors some 500 years ago.
Then Tata, you mean to say your father, and your father's father's father, and all those old people, old ancestors, used to live in that great house?
Yes, son. Right in that riddle. Oh, sorry, my head gone a while ago. No, son. Not my father's father.
Then who?
Yes, in the great house. Our ancestors didn't live in there, you know. That was the backroom master's house. Now, children, wanna know who is the backroom master? Tell me, who is the backroom master? Right. Now, tell Kocho, who is the backroom master? Yes, it is the owner of the plantation.
Plantation? So Tata, all this here so very living, it was plantation?
Yes, and wherever you see a great house in Jamaica, you can know there was a plantation there. You see, our ancestors were brought from West Africa to Jamaica to work on the sugar plantation as slaves. Some worked in-house as house slaves, but most of them worked in the fields. Men, women, and children worked to make the money for the backer master.
Then Tata, if the men and the women and the children, all of our ancestors was working so much, then they make plenty money.
Not at all, you know, son. They worked them for little or nothing.
Oh no.
They were treated like animals. Boy, it is the worst part of our history.
So Tata, if it was so terrible, why they didn't run away?
Son, the punishment was horrible that I don't know how they survived for you, and all of it to be here today. You see, if they try to run away, the backer master would hunt them down with dogs, and when they catch them, They whip them, chain them up. Look, if you look right at the frontier, you see some of the instruments they used to punish them. We have some right here, you can see them. But they survive. That is the most important part of our legacy.
So then, Tata, our ancestors never had no free time at all?
Well, at night time when the battle master was asleep in the great house, then is when they would come out in the dark, sit down under the tree and beat their drums, play music, sing and dance and tell stories and talk in their African language.
In the African language? So Tata, our ancestors really come from Africa?
Yes, sir. The white man captured them in Africa and brought them over in a big slave ship to work on the sugar plantation. It didn't happen only in Jamaica, you know. Anybody know where else it happened? Yes, say it again, you're so bright. Yes, all over the Caribbean. That is how we have so many things here today that comes from Africa.
Like what, Tata?
Let me see now. Boy, I have to think about. Take your name for example.
My name?
Yes, what's your name?
My name is Kojo.
No, your name is Kojo.
My name is Kojo.
No, you have to say your name with more than that, you know. Say your name loud and proud.
My name is Kojo.
Yes, now, children, can you shout Kojo and you make him hear? Kojo! Again. Kojo! One more time. Kojo! Yes. So, it is named like Kojo. Now, repeat after me. Kojo. Kwame, Kwesi, and Aqua. Yes, those are all African names, son. And we like them. And we are so proud that we give our children African names. And of course, our love for drumming, dancing, singing, we got all of that from our ancestors.
And Tata, what else we get from our ancestors?
Well, many things. You know, you must ask Mama Rosie, you know. She knows a lot about cooking and clothes. You know what? Come and go ask her.
All right, Tata. Mama Rosie. Mama Rosie.
Yes, I want to
Mama Rosie. It's Kojo. All right, Mama Rosie. Come to hear about our ancestors and the African legacy.
African legacy. That is a long time